Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Sardana, a plus educator on Unacademy. So in this video, I will be discussing CAT 2020 Slot 1 quant questions from the topic of area and volume. And to attend my live session on Unacademy Plus for quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and data interpretation for CAT 2021 as well as for other MBA entrance exam, you can join me on Unacademy Plus and you can purchase a Plus subscription using my referral code LRDA SMIR. This will give you a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. Let's have a look at the question of CAT 2020, question number 22. It says a solid right circular cone of height 20 centimeter is cut into two pieces along a plane parallel to its base at a height of 18 centimeter from the base. So what is happening in the question? You have a cone with a height of 27 centimeter, right? And at a height of 18 centimeter, you are cutting the cone with the base which is with a face which is parallel to this base. That means if this complete length is 27 centimeter, this complete length is 20, this complete height is 27, this would be 18. So if this is 18, this would be 9. Now, question is very simple. Actually, this question is again repeated. This question, similar question was asked in CAT 2018. Most of the question of CAT 2020 were taken from the previous year CAT paper, as I have told you in the previous question also. So this again is a 2018 questions, and the concept is as it is similar to 2018 question. What we are supposed to do here is, this base is parallel to this base. So therefore, the triangle ABE will be similar to triangle ACD. Will be similar to triangle ACD. So whatever is a height ratio, you see that height of this is 9, height of this is 27. The height ratio will be same as the radius ratio. So if this is a height ratio, I can say the radius ratio is also 1:3. That means if this radius is 1, this radius will be equivalent to 3. And the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. The volume depends on square of r and height. Now this is 9, this is 1. The volume of smaller cone, this, right, volume of this small cone would be, if I avoid 1 by 3 pi and if I look at the ratio of the volume of cone 1 and volume of cone 2, it will be dependent on r square and h, because 1 by 3 part is common in both of these two formulas, right? So r square and h will give me the ratio of the volume of cone 1 and cone 2. So r square 1 square into height, that is 9, r square into height, that is 27. This gets cancelled. 1:27 is a volume ratio. That means if the volume of this cone is 1, the volume of the larger cone will be 27. If this is 27, this is 1, that is 20. So the difference between this 27 and 1 is equivalent to 26. So the volume of this second piece will be equivalent to 26. This is 1, this complete is 27, so this will be 26. Now the question says the difference in this part as well as in this part is equivalent to 225. Now see that 1 and 26 have a difference of 25. Right, and this difference of 25 here in our ratios is represented as 225, which is 9 times of it, right? And we are supposed to find out the volume of the complete cone. The volume of the complete cone is 27, so this will also become 9 times 27 into 9. The answer will be equivalent to 343. 27 into 9 would be 243, right? 27 into 9 would be 243. That's a question number 3. That's option number 3. So see, that the question is very easy. You could have solved this question. This is a basic question, right? एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम के अंदर ऐसे क्वेश्चन हम बेसिक्स के अंदर करते हैं और ऐसे ही बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है. मोरओवर 2018 का एज इट इज क्वेश्चन जो है वो इसी कॉन्सेप्ट, 2018 का जो क्वेश्चन है वो एज इट इज इसी कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड है. सो वहीं से ये क्वेश्चन इंस्पायर्ड है. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस करना is must for a candidate who is going to appear for CAT exam. एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम के और भी काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. लेट्स लुक एट वन मोर क्वेश्चन, राइट? जो क्वेश्चन जो इसी पेपर में ये जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है, अ सर्कल इज इंस्क्राइब्ड इन अ रोम्बस with diagonal 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter, the ratio of the area of the circle to the area's rhombus is what, right? This is what we are supposed to find out. I want you to try this question first, right? Question will be simple. The solution of this video, of this question will be discussed in the next part of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and you can join me on Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDSME, and you on Unacademy Plus, guys, right? The value offering for CAT exam, right? If you guys are waiting for CAT, and okay, so there's a 13,000, there are 3,000 plus hours of live session that you can attend on Unacademy Plus if you are appearing for CAT exam preparation. In addition to that, there is a Unacademy Champions League which is completely free of cost for all the candidates. It started on January 3, and on alternate Sundays 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. this championship league will be conducted with you can win exciting prizes and scholarships. Also, in-depth insight with the same day analysis will also be given to you, and you can use the referral code LRDI Samir to subscribe to this championship league. Also, you can attend all of the special classes completely free of cost by using the code LRDSP happening on Unacademy Plus platform. Thank you. See you in the next part of the video.